Good afternoon, class. Welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic, EDRA, Department of Information Technology. On today's session, we start the next practical number 2, 3, 4 of course or the subject Applied Multimedia Techniques. This is syllabus for our subject means marks allocation are already known, and also I am explained or said in a previous practical lecture also and in a theory lecture also. These are the vision mission statement of our department. Syllabus for that subject, there are 5 units are there. Okay. Course outcomes: after the completion of this practical, which CO we are achieve? Prepare images using different color models. These are the practical content outcome matrix. On today's practical, we will be done second, third and fourth practical. This is a small practical, so I am combine these practicals because our total 32 practicals are there. It is not possible in a one practical of each practical, so we combine these practicals. Practical number 2. Practical number 1A and 1B, or these are completed in a previous practical session. Okay, now we start the new practical number 2, creating a still images. Okay, these are the practical significances. Okay, after that, this is the color model theory part. It is already completed in a lecture. Resource table, how to complete a table in shown in a previous practical session also, and in this section also in a PPT that shown it how to write the result, conclusion, etc. Now we done the practicals. Okay, practical related questions and exercise questions. In that, practical number 2, there's the table, practical related question, worst. It is the question, practical related questions. In that, first question I am demonstrating you, all remaining questions for homework for you. Create a still image containing your college name and fill it in various color. Okay, steps are: first, open graphical processing tools, that is Pencil 2D. After that, choose pencil tool. After that, which color you want that select in color palette. Draw our college name through pencil tool on canvas. Export to image in a file menu. How to export that image in a previous practicals I am shown it. Okay. Browse image location and select that JPG format. Also click on OK button. After that, create that JPG image. Question number 2 and 3 for homework for you, and extra questions are added. List the tools and their uses in a Pencil 2D software. Means in that, write list the tools and their uses also. Exercise questions, 2 questions are there. These are also homework for you. Okay. After that, how to write the resource use table. Pencil 2D software is used. In an result, write output of this procedure are right after each printout. Conclusion is write down. By this practical, I am able to how to create the still images in a Pencil 2D software. Means in short, we create the still images. Create a still images. Okay, still images means constant images. Okay, we create the constant images. first questions I am sure that. Second question, third questions also. Create the still images means create a still images to to show water bottle and fill it with a blue color, demonstrating bottle filled with water, and create a still images to depict the nature scene means in short, in a first question we draw your college name with a color. Second question we create the still images in that shows the water bottle and is demonstrated as that filling the water with blue color. Create it, sorry, clear it. And after the third question is create that the natural scene that images draw means you draw the images. Okay, in your class in fifth standard class, 6th, 7th, drawing subjects are there. In that in a drawing notebook you draw the images. Sorry, your drawing is created at same like on that Pencil 2D software through we draw that concept and that save through image means .jpg, that automatically that create in a image format. Clear that? Means in a Pencil 2D we draw it which questions you assign, and that that drawing are saved through image extension through means .jpg, bmp, etc. which extensions are provided on that extensions are choose it, and then automatically that your drawing is converted into image. Clear? Okay, and that is not a movable, it is a constant, so it is said as the still image. Okay, to show how to create that your college name, draw your college name. That said as the color means in short you choose the color. Okay, first of all you select the pencil, or you first of all you select the color whatever. Okay, one color, pink color. Okay, college name, no? Okay, you draw SIT Polytechnic Edra. Okay, and it is the I'm already drawn the SIT. You draw all in long form, SIT Polytechnic Edra, or also it's possible then write in full form, Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic Edra. Okay, you are in that page your writing is small, then we write on. I'm to show. In short, that's like all are write down. Okay, I'm only for now write only for SIT, write in SIT Polytechnic Edra or Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic Edra. In long form also you write down possible if possible. Okay, after that it is said as what is the question? Question is that create a still containing image. Sorry, first question. Okay, college name and filled with the various colors. Okay, possible you again different color, then SIT that's like. Okay, write down. Choose which color. First of all, this pointer is in click here. Okay, for example, there is not any pointer. Okay, then not draw. Suppose points is there. After that you choose which color you want. Okay, this color is shown in there is the RGB colors, also HSV colors also. Okay, what color you want, RGB color, then in that will show, and that color is that display. Clear that? That's like. Then you select the green color but not drawing the green color. Why? Color a pink color but not drawing a pink color. Black color is right, because first of all you select this in this point. After that we select that color is clear that. Okay, this is your first question. Sorry, how to that. After that save it. How to save? Export image. After that in that select which extension you want, PNG, JPG, BMP, and whatever. I'm select PNG. That extension is seen, then it is converted into image, otherwise not. So in that check it is extension is right or not. Okay, that okay. It is saved in a where practical number 1. I will browse this. For example, this is the practical number 3rd. Sorry, 2nd. That show college name. Practical number college name. It is not created in extension, so it is not created in an image. So first of all extension will be select. Okay, extension will be select. That extension is seen that. Okay, so showing now. Show it. Showing A drive, second practical. This is college name. Okay, this is the PNG file. Okay, after that this is your second practical. Clear that? That result conclusion what right? Okay, same how to create the name and same we create the still image. Means I'm just only for show. Means use water bottle, means you draw that's like water bottle. That's like it's like means water bottle. That's like you created only for one water bottle draw, 1, 2 or 3 bottles are draw it. Clear that? And in a third questions is easy. You already know. Create your still images to detect the nature scene. Nature scene you create it. Okay, you're drawing in a 5th standard, 6th standard. That's like clear. After that, first second question is that procedure or still images. We create the still images in a following URL. Means in it is a provided one URL. Go to that URL and that download it images and it is print out it. Okay. Second question is that produce a still images for your choice having minimum 5 different shapes are draw it and fill it with different color. Okay. There all the steps are right in after the, back side of printout. Each printout back side you draw at their steps. Okay, this created is export in an image, and that image is screen printout is taken, and after that backside of printout we draw the steps. Okay, next question is that what is shapes. Okay, different shapes are taken, 5 shapes are taken. For example, you create the also color, sorry, some changes, the rectangle, in that fill color, for example, that's like 5 shapes are created. This is your second question. Clear that? Practical number 2. After that, practical number 3. In a practical number 3, what is said? Create and use color models in a image. Okay, these are practical significance. Okay, these are the CO, PO. That's like these are the theory part. This is already completed in a lecture. Also, that completed in these questions. Table, result, conclusion. Okay. In that question, practical related question, in that said as the, this is clear, sorry. Okay, this is the practical number 2 is completed. After the practical number 3. Okay, in that open graphical processing tools, pencil 2D. After that, choose the pencil tool. 1 second. Question is that produce an image to detect the simple front page of book having book name, author name and simple logo on the use RGB color model. Okay, so how it will be possible, that's shown in. In that you create the still images, and that is shown as the how will be your book front page. That's like you create the still image. Okay, means in that shown the book name, author name and so on. Logo is inserted. First of all, you download one logo of in your choice, but it is logo for book. Open graphical processing tool means pencil 2D. After that, choose the pencil tool. After that, which color you want, that select in a RGB option of color model, because in a question said as the RGB color use. After that, draw the book name through pencil 2D on convex. Then import the image means import that logo through import option in a file menu. After that, choose the different color and draw the author name and export to image in a file menu. Browse the image location and select the .jpg format. Also click on OK button and create the JPG file or any extension file, okay, which you want. Not a compulsory in .jpg. Also create the PNG and BMP also. The exercise question, the practical questions are, first is homework for you. Second extra question is that list the different layers available in a Pencil 2D software. Okay. And there's a in that Pencil 2D is also used, and in that use also one URL that write down http polarize.org. In that conclusion is what is the conclusion is write down, by this practical I am able to create and use the color models in a image using different softwares. Okay. Means possible. First of all, we select the book name. For example, RGB color is choose. Okay. After that, I am import. Sorry, in a file menu, import image. Books. I'm select logo this type. You after that you draw author name. That author name draw. Author name. Okay. And these are export. In that write file name and then okay. Clear that? How will be? And when we export that image, okay, this see like just like, okay, and this is the taking a printout, this image. Clear that? This is not to create the printout. When we convert an image, that image taking a printout. Okay, this is the exercise question. First questions are there. Book name, author name and simple logo. Use RGB color. Second question is that produce still images of your choice having minimum 5 different shapes and fill it with different colors. Use HSV or HSL colors model. Means in that, in a same question in a previous practical, in that only for use RGB color, in that use HSV color, and are also in a possible in that. In a previous practical, in practical number 2 you use RGB color, in practical number 3 use HSV color. Shapes are draw it just like. Clear that? Is your second question, first question. Clear that? This all are write down your steps and print out also. And in that was first question, that try it, visit the web link with your given below and perform the following task. Go in a link http://colorize.org. Okay, these three tasks are there. That 3 tasks are apply on that. Means one software open using this colorize.org, and in that solve that questions. Okay, when first A questions are solved, that image also taking a printout. B is solved, after that taking a printout. C is solved, after that taking a printout. Means in that first change the background color as a sky blue. In that background option is available, that's change the sky blue. Note down that value at display in the is field available at the right side screen, RGB and CMYK. After the second question, modify that border color. They change the border color, RGB tab with the CMYK tab. Okay, and in a right screen, that means you give the values. And in the third question, change the text from HTML tab, specify top left of corner, add your name and change the text color suitable to your background color. Okay, clear it? First of all, go in this link and these questions are performed on that link. This is your practical number 3. Okay, this aim is that practical number 3 is create and use the color models in an image. So in that, conclusion is that I am able to create and use the color models in an image using different softwares. Okay, using different many softwares are there. Any softwares through you create it. After that, practical number 4. Practical number 4, creating a video clip using graphical processing tools. In short, create the video clip. It is interesting. Your favorite practical. Clear? In that same practical significance, their theory part. Okay. Table is completed. In PPT is also added. Result, conclusion, etc. There 2 questions are there. Okay, practical related questions 1 and exercise question. In both questions, 1 links are provided. Go through that links and their questions are performed on that link. In the same link is provided, they go to the link and their questions are performed on that link, and write the taking printout and then write the steps, that backside of printout. Okay, in that what is the output conclusion? By this practical I am able to creating a video clip using Movie Maker and Kizo software. Two softwares are used. Okay, that two softwares are also added in a software field. Each practicals, their softwares are different, so that respectively practicals you complete this table. Practical related questions, in that add a two. First question is homework for you, second question and first question in that exercise question is also homework for you. I am only one demonstrated, second one you yourself to solve it. The extra question is that define video clip and explain in short which you use software for making a video. Hear it? Two theory questions are there, in that write down. First of all definition, and second question is write in short, okay, which software we use for making a video. That write down means in short write the Kizo and which software, Kizo and Movie Maker. Okay, I am showing you that. In that Movie Maker, that go in that URL, first of all add a 10 images. After that use Adio to give the images, give the file name and save it and download it. In that question is same also, go through in this link. After that add the photos, give the transaction effect. After that use the text name or use the GIF image or give the name and save it. Okay, that how to show it. When go to that this is the copy it, copy it. After that already that I am open it, but show this line. Okay, and take my Kizo, clicking my Kizo, open this line, same. Like this, like open this software. Okay, I am already open it. Okay, in that some options are there that use it or already create the video clips, same like. Okay, there are the options are available: picture, transaction, effects, text, GIF, music. These are the use them. Okay, or already create the video clips in a mobile, same. Okay, only for softwares are different. Movie Maker, okay, that add the photos. For example, in a computer I am adding the photos. Carefully see the what steps I am used. Okay, you also again demonstrate it and repeat it in. For example, I am in a question set as the maximum 20 or 10 images, but I am only for sample images are taking, means 1, 2, 4 images are taken. Okay, only for one image is set as. At a time multiple images also you select it. Okay, after that is drag on that strip, that no crop. No. That's like view. These are all are moved. 2, 3, 4. This is a not. Okay. After that, transition effects are given. For example, you give the these are the sample. How to that show it? When you use in a PowerPoint, okay, transition effects, that's same like which you want that are set in there, and any are set is that, and options are there also. Okay, just books means just books like samples are there. Okay, after that more options are available, you choose yourself. After that, effect. In that, effects are given. Okay, in that also more effects are there, you choose any effect. Okay, click that. That's like lag, right? In that also more options are available. That's like self use. After that, you want to add the GIF. Okay, GIF means runnable image. Okay, for example, you school. Okay, then bag is inserted. Click here, double click on that, automatically that inserted at GIF. Okay, where you move it, move it. Okay, after that, in this through also you change the images. In that images, first of all we given the in from one I'm add any music, also that add it. For example, no, not add it. On that second photo, that's like also GIF. And all images give the effect. Okay. That any GIF. given. So you taste it. Close it. This is your video clip is ready. After that we want given the text also. Text. Taste it. Will be also display. Flower. After that close it. You want to effect, text, GIF, music, any changes. After that you also apply background as a color. For example, I am given color yellow. Okay, that is the play it. Download it. Give the name. For example, I am given name as a video sample. Okay, this is to I am already login it, so I am not asking for Gmail ID password. First of all, you use this software that time ask your mail ID and password, and give your mail ID and password. In that given I am mail ID to log in that software. Means what, when we download that click, that first time you download to click means first time you use this software, that time ask your name, your mail ID and password, that give that. Second time not the ask. It downloaded it. Okay, in that asked no logo, then we purchase. Okay, with logo. Confirm it. Please wait means downloaded it. Okay, you can download your movie in a few minutes from My Movie Space. To remove our watermark, just upgrade to one of the premium, means we pay that. Okay, premium, that's it. In that your movie sample is ready. Download your movie. That download it. Okay, sample I'm created. This is your demonstrate movie. In that show in folder, play it. Your movie make ready. on that movie, when we create that movie, you take a printout, maximum 4-5, only for one. 4 printouts are taken. This one, this second, that third, fourth, like clear that. It's like the movie will be created. Okay, this question is solved, demonstrated. This question is more for you. Their practical number 4 is also completed. Practical number 4 completed the table, conclusion and result after the practical questions, exercise. Okay, summary on that on today's practical session. Practical number 2, 3 and 4 will be have been completed. Practical number 2, by this practical I am able to how to create the still images in a Pencil 2D software. In the practical number 3, what will be taken? By this practical I am able to create and use the color model in an image using different software. And by this practical I am able to creating video clip using Movie Maker and Kizo software. Homework for you, that 3 practicals are completed it. Okay, here stop on today's practical session. In that practical any doubts are arise, then contact with me, no problem. Thank you.